Salaam, Salaam. I haven't done a video in so long. I'm trying to figure out where to look. I think it's here. Salaam, Salaam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Salaam, everybody. How are y'all? Let me fix my nose ring. How are y'all? Okay, I've been getting a lot of messages like, where are you? Where's our tutorial? I've just been getting a lot of messages. So here am I just wanted to do this quick video to let y'all know that I will be uploading this week coming up. Unity moments, Black business spotlights, all the things, Queen's Order, DIYs, just all the things that I, let me move this over this way, that I was doing. I've been on YouTube since 07, and I think this is the longest break I ever took. I really needed it due to many things, spiritually, physically, mentally. You know, we have to do our mental checks, living in a world full of madness. So I think some of the last videos I did was some DIYs, and I never got to finish the whole series, which when I'm thinking about it, most of those videos are done. I just gotta upload them. And I did the video about this over here, about She Demon, and that was one of the longest videos I ever did on YouTube. But when you defending your life, you gotta break it down. There was a lot of things that I didn't even put in that video. And I'm gonna just tell y'all like two things. Like, it was interesting because a lot of my quote-unquote supporters, quote-unquote, favored her. And I get it. You know, people have their reasons of why they have an energy towards certain people. And you know, what I learned, when you've been doing a certain thing for a long, long time, people be like, oh, Unity got an ego. Yeah, I got an ego. It could be sometimes crazy, and it could be a lot of times humble. So, you know, sometimes people, they really like you, but they really don't like you. And I discussed that in that video. So y'all check that video. It's still up. But there was a lot of things that I didn't discuss that was going on behind the scenes. And it's some still things that I'm not discussing because it's still going on. I'm not sharing a lot. But one thing I do want to share with y'all, when She Demon did contact Etsy and said that I did a copyright infringement, y'all know the thing. Just go look at that video, which was a fucking lie, because she started creating hand-painted jewelry because of me, hand-painted earrings because of me. Just like most of y'all that's on YouTube, I'm an innovator, and I'm not afraid to say that. And I has inspired a lot of women and men all over the world, because before I started creating hand-painted earrings in my style, there was no one doing it. So I can say that. I can say that. Sometimes, like the Snoop Dogg say, y'all gotta thank yourself.
I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for having no days off. I want to thank me for never quitting. I want to thank me for always being a giver and trying to give more than I receive. I want to thank me for trying to do more right than wrong. I want to thank me for just being me at all times.
Okay, we're going to say that. So if y'all want to call it ego, whatever, fuck y'all. Okay? But anyway, behind the scenes, when people thought it was just a damn joke that I was just being who I, Unity feel like she the goddess of earrings. I am. There was a police report filed. Like, I wasn't playing around with this lady. And it also was an injunction filed. And I can show y'all them in these. I never showed y'all in that video, but I can show y'all them in these. Now, with the injunction, Florida courts is still not open right now. And what I did, I put it under stalking, which a lot of laws and stuff need to be changed. If a person go to your place of business and do a false report saying somebody copied their work, and I inspired her whole business. Come on now. Come on now. Because she was mad. Because one thing I learned, silence make a person more mad. When you block a person out your life and you don't deal with them, it make them so mad. You get what I'm saying? So when I just blocked her in April 2020, she couldn't take that. She, in her sick mind, she thought that I copied her. But she knew I didn't copy her. She knew that. it's just crazy. She just knew that. She just wanted to fuck with me. Because the little email she was sending, and I inspired you to do the Zion earrings, and I inspired. Bitch, you ain't inspired me to do nothing but she demon. And I got something real big coming on the she demon. So, that. But, yeah, with the police, with the injunction, they was saying that the judge said, if y'all look over here, y'all will see a copy of it. I'm going to blur our last names out on it. But she was saying due to the fact that she says more of a civil suit than a stalking suit, which I feel like they need to update stuff because the internet has harassment, but the local thing, they haven't really made laws against the internet harassing and stalking like they do in person. They need to update a lot of things. So the judge agreed. She said, even though it was 100% true, because I laid out everything, but she said it's considered more a civil case. So y'all will see that right on the side over here. And also with the police report, it was like if she contact me anytime to this day, she would be picked up. So I was not playing. So I didn't discuss a lot of things with y'all. So dealing with that situation, I did get, I went into my recluse world. I did a lot of spiritual stuff. I just thought about it like it's so interesting how you help a person. Like I gave this girl, this child, more than I can give anybody when it comes to starting a hand-painted business, pointers and all that. And it's like a little kid that sees somebody else and they was like, no, I want it all. Like she couldn't just be in her own lane and do her own thing. It was like, no, I want it all. And then it was the judgmental shit. I got some dope earrings coming up, y'all, of if you don't believe what certain people believe, they get twisted and crooked because we have billions of people in the world and everybody think different, but they want you to believe what they believe. And if you don't believe what they believe, you're going to hell. And it's so crazy how she would say, oh, I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about me when I did the video, which is this video right over here. And she did another video, which I have so much. But then she'll send a message say, you're sending people to hell because I'm making earrings? Because I'm talking about aunts? I'm talking about tarot cards? No, you already in hell. But yeah, I still don't like her. Like I say, there's a lot of things that I will not discuss, but just know that I just keep that for myself. Changing her business names like nobody don't know who she is. Trying to hide off the internet, but still on the internet. We all know who she is and where she at. Yeah, wait, I might gotta gloss that again. Yeah, I've been still working. I got so many pair of earrings to make. Just catching up with everything, and I got to reply to a lot of people emails. I kind of like just went on I just needed a break. Haven't been posting a lot, just like. But anyway, back to She Demon. Yeah, so when all that stuff happened, I just was real funny about people. You know what I'm saying? Because it taught me, because even people that I thought was cool with me sided with her. And the thing about it, what it does, it shows you who really ride or dies, are loyal to you. And people can make up their mind on who they want to support and all that. But I'm just being real funny. But then as the times, as I been having to myself, I learned that never, no matter if it's a relationship with a man, relationship with a woman, whatever type of relationship it is, never allow a person to stop you from allowing beautiful energies to come in your world. And we all hear that saying, people in your life for a lifetime, people in your life for a season. Sometimes they just be a passing person that walk by and say something beautiful to you. In every experience, you take that and you learn something from it, So with that being said, I just want to come and do this quick video, and I will be uploading some pre-recorded videos. Matter of fact, these earrings right here, everything that I made these earrings from, the other one is a little different, but y'all will see it in the upcoming video. It's from BB Crafts, so I will upload that video, and I'll start getting back to upload. I had uploaded a video with certain people sent me things and I never shared with y'all. So I upload all those videos this week. So y'all probably gonna get tired of me uploading. And I just wanted to say that. And inshallah, y'all having a beautiful year. Inshallah, don't allow no one to take your peace. Y'all protect your energy at all costs. I'm working on some beautiful projects, and I will be I'll preview them on this channel, but it's a whole another channel which I discussed it one time in one of my lives called Boabw TV, and I have a show coming up that's so flying dope. So I will be discussing that more in the upcoming video. Look at me, y'all. Still got the painting nails. And I want to thank you all that have ordered from me with all your patience. I know, like, sometime like the end of last year, it was some issues going on with packaging due to Corona and this and that. And some people received their orders. I had to get refunds back and everything just back on track. I've been doing this almost, 15 years now. And it's a lot of ups and downs and challenges, but at the end of the day, I still enjoy what I do. I have expanded to a lot of other things. Like I say, it will be in the upcoming video. So I just wanted to say salam to all my true riders. I'm here, and I'm on my grown woman shit. I don't play games with nobody. If you ride with me, you ride. If you decide to go another way, I'm not gonna be mad at you. But I don't like that. I feel like if a person have an issue with a person, you hit them up, especially if you communicate them via online in person, just hit them up and ask them what's up. It's either, once that conversation over, it's either you're going to deal with them or you're not, you know? So, but yeah, I've been getting a lot of emails and messages and comments like, where you at? I miss your videos. I'm here. I'm always here. I'm just observing, like I've been an observer since I was a child and an analyzer of people's minds. That's what star seeds do. We do it because we want to give healing, but to those that deserve it, because it's a lot of energies that don't even deserve the space to breathe on this earth. I'm being honest. Let me tell y'all, people feel like when you're spiritual, you have to be so, oh, the world is beautiful and I love the earth and I'm all that, but I'm also 100% genuine, real, and no candy coating, So I just wanted to say that, and inshallah, y'all will see some videos coming up this week. And what I always say, y'all, salam, salam. Huh?